Hi. Assuming your brand is established with key elements such as a logo, social media pages, and images of your dishes, today we'll focus on marketing through food delivery partners, often referred to as aggregators. These platforms are crucial for connecting your cloud kitchen with customers. Food delivery partners aim to attract customers to their platforms to outpace the competition. Similarly, your goal as a cloud kitchen operator is to ensure that customers choose your brand over competitors. So optimizing your presence is key. Many platforms charge for premium slots such as top listed, star brand, or brand of the month. These slots increase your visibility, much like impulse buy items at supermarket checkouts. With consumers' attention spans shorter than ever, positioning your brand prominently can capture interest within this critical window. However, these placements can be costly and depend on factors like cuisine type and customer satisfaction scores. Visual appeal is critical in the food delivery world. Your hero shot, which is the primary image displayed when customers see your brand at the top of the platform, acts much like a YouTube thumbnail. It's your first chance to entice customers by showcasing the variety and appeal of your menu. High-quality individual dish images are equally important, as they influence decisions once customers click on your brand. Investing in a food stylist or professional photographer can elevate the visual impact of your listings. These images should meet the platform's technical requirements, such as pixel dimensions and resolution, to ensure they display correctly and attractively. Each delivery platform has its own requirements for graphics. Some will not allow text in the hero shot, while others restrict visible human elements, such as a hand holding food. Understand these specifications before investing in photography. Having your brand or items on discount can help you appear in the discount categories of each platform. However, the costs of these promotions need to be carefully considered. It's not uncommon for brands to increase prices just to offer a discount on specific dishes or across the brand. While this can work as a marketing strategy, prolonged discounts may attract price-sensitive customers, and removing them later could lead to a loss of those customers. Food delivery platforms often prioritize brands with high customer satisfaction scores. These ratings, visible to potential customers, influence their purchasing decisions. While not a direct marketing tool, strong ratings build trust and encourage orders. A strong rapport with your account manager can yield insights into ROI, campaign performance, and provide opportunities for exclusive deals or discounts. Food delivery partners may also offer support to high-potential brands with shared cost advertising or promotional efforts. In today's mobile-first world, your social media presence is critical. If your brand isn't mobile-friendly or active on key platforms, your marketing efforts will likely fall short. Use social media to educate customers about your brand, build trust and excitement, and address customer complaints promptly. In cloud kitchens, things will occasionally go wrong, and complaints are inevitable. Your response matters. Influencers can also help to amplify your reach. Depending on your cuisine and target audience, you may partner with niche experts through unpaid collaborations or micro-macro influencers via marketing agencies. However, this requires careful cost-benefit analysis, as it's often hard to measure conversion rates. Another critical component is the limited customer data provided by delivery platforms. Platforms usually retain key details like customer names and contact information, giving kitchen partners minimal access. This makes it harder to connect directly with customers and increases the importance of capturing their information through other channels, such as competitions or email signups. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching.